Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's been creating a lot of buzz here in Cameroon, Starlink internet. Now, if you've ever struggled with slow or unstable connections from CAMTEL, MTN or Orange, then you know how frustrating it can be to get work done, stream videos or even just browse smoothly. That's why the arrival of Starlink with speeds of up to 150 megabits per second feels like a dream come true for many Cameroonians. But here's the twist. Starlink has not yet been officially licensed in Cameroon. Technically, it's still restricted here. However, as we all know, impossible n'est-ce pas Camerounais, Starlink experts in the country have already figured out reliable ways to get it working. I've personally been using Starlink here in Cameroon for the past 2 years, and honestly, it's been a complete lifesaver. As someone who depends heavily on the internet for business, I can tell you this. The difference between Starlink and the regular providers is like night and day. Whenever friends visit and connect to my Starlink Wi-Fi, the first thing they ask is, which internet connection is this? And when I explain that it's Starlink, running right here in Cameroon despite the restrictions, most of them don't believe me at first. But hey, seeing is believing. So if you've been asking yourself, is it possible to use Starlink in Cameroon? The answer is yes. And in this video, I'll walk you through exactly how it works. All right, let's get into the details. Step 1. Understanding Starlink subscription plans. Before you even think of buying a Starlink kit, you need to know how the subscription works. Starlink offers 2 main plans: the residential plan, affordable but only available in approved countries, and the Roam Unlimited planners, which works globally even in countries where Starlink isn't yet licensed, including Cameroon. Now, the Roam Unlimited plan is the one Cameroonians are using. But it comes with a couple of challenges. First, the cost. The Roam Unlimited plan is about 58,000 CFA francs per month. I know that sounds steep, but consider what you're getting: lightning fast speeds, unlimited data, and the ability to connect up to 150 devices at once. For businesses, schools, or even large families, it's worth it. Second, the roaming limit. Starlink allows roaming for only 2 months at a time. After that, the service can be suspended. But don't worry, there are easy workarounds that experts use to keep the connection active. That's how I've managed to stay online for 2 years straight without interruption. The good news is, once Starlink is officially licensed in Cameroon, people here will have access to the cheaper residential plan. Just to give you perspective, in Chad, users pay around 30,000 CFA per month for unlimited, high-speed residential internet. Step 2. Where to buy Starlink in Cameroon. Now let's talk about getting your hands on a Starlink kit. You have 2 options. The Starlink Mini Kit, which is lightweight, portable, and costs around 250,000 CFA maximum in Cameroon. Or the standard Starlink V2 kit, which is bigger and slightly more expensive. For most people here, I recommend the Starlink Mini. It's portable, easier to set up, and works perfectly for both personal and business use. But here's the catch. Since the Starlink isn't officially licensed in Cameroon, you cannot order directly from the Starlink website. Instead, you'll need to buy through third-party sellers, either local sellers here or from neighboring countries like Nigeria and Chad, where Starlink is already approved. Once Starlink is licensed locally, we can expect official sales outlets in Cameroon with even better prices. But for now, third-party sellers are the way to go. Step 3. How to activate your Starlink kit in Cameroon. Buying the kit is only half the process. Next comes activation. And because Cameroon isn't on Starlink's official list yet, activation here requires a bit of technical know-how. That's why you likely need the help of a Starlink expert. The activation steps generally include choosing a service address in a country where Starlink is approved, entering your personal details, paying for your first subscription under the Roam Unlimited plan, Once that's done, all you need to do is set up the dish, point it to the sky, and just like that, you're connected to super fast, unlimited internet right here in Cameroon. Who should use Starlink in Cameroon? Starlink isn't just for tech enthusiasts. It's a powerful tool for media houses that want to live stream without lag. Churches that broadcast their Sunday services online. Internet entrepreneurs and content creators who need reliable uploads and downloads. Colleges and universities that want to offer students better internet on campus. And most importantly, people living in rural areas with little or no access to MTN, Orange, or CAMTEL internet. Since Starlink is satellite-based, it works anywhere in Cameroon, whether you're in Douala, Bamenda, or a remote village. Final thoughts. So to wrap it all up, yes, it is absolutely possible to use Starlink in Cameroon, even though it hasn't been officially licensed yet. You'll need to go through a third-party seller to get the kit, and you'll need the Roam Unlimited plan, plus a bit of expert help with activation. But once you're connected, you'll enjoy internet speeds that completely outclass the traditional providers we've all struggled with for years. If you'd like to learn more, or if you need help getting your Starlink kit here in Cameroon, drop a comment below or send me a message on WhatsApp. That's it for today's video. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you know someone who's planning to buy Starlink in Cameroon, make sure you share this video with them so they don't make costly mistakes.
So yeah, this is Starlink. This is a satellite-based internet service provider by Elon Musk. This is something that you should go ahead and get it right now as we speak.
And of course, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell, because I'll be dropping more videos on Starlink tips, internet hacks, and the latest updates you need to know. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay connected, stay informed.